Hi, I'm Brian and you're watching Someplace or Another. And today I'm at the Lindbergh car show. And this one's local. Let's go check it out. Let's go start this off with a Buick Grand National. Nice. They're playing some music over here. Hopefully we can still do this without muting everything. It's pretty nice. It's a nice looking Corvette. Sweet. Wow, look how shiny it is. Is that it? That's nice. Oh, this one's very well done. It's quite a bit here. That one's pretty cool. Ford Falcon. Convertible. And period correct paint. It's pretty cool. Nice. This is pretty sharp. You know what I haven't seen at a car show is a regular van. This is not regular by any means, but this is very cool. Huh. It's nice. I like it. C28. Nice.
Attention everybody, quick question. We found some glasses up here. They may be prescriptions. So if you're missing some glasses, come on over to the DJ booth.
That's a nice looking GTO. That music's way too loud. This is nice old Chevy. Oh yeah, very nice. Oh, I thought I had vintage air. You can see it right there on the floor. Nice looking old van. VW. Let's go check out the inside. This one's from my era. I had a exact same model. 4-door. Definitely not as cool. Ooh, there's a nice TT. You don't see those at the shows very often. Ooh, looks original. Ooh, this is a nice looking old truck. Bet you it goes anywhere you want. Yeah, very nice. I don't know why, but I like these old minis. I think I'll fit. It's not that small. %, BMW free. Let's see here. It's not too bad. Just a little above my waist.
That's what you want.
These guys gave me a free t-shirt showing off their cool truck and actually getting away with my next shot. You'll see. This is a cool truck though. Wow. Very cool. Nice. kind of truck is this? Is it an old Ford? Very cool. It just sounds awesome. It's got a Ford sticker on it. Nice Corvette. Ooh, this is cool. Is it AMX? Dual carburetors. Nice looking SS Camaro. Look at that, he's even got a mini one on a turntable. Oh, I like it. It's very nice. This Chevelle is very nice also. I like it when they do them kind of period.
That's what you want.
Nice looking Corvette. Cool. This is like those cars we've seen at the Columbia car show. It's all race ready. Look at the size of those tires. Nice. Roll cage and everything. Let's see what we got on the hood. Oh yeah. Zoom zoom. Look at eyeballs. Nice. You know, I think we saw this car at the Forest Park Easter car show. Does it look familiar to you? It's a nice one. You don't see a whole lot of these. Cool. Volvo classics on the road. music has stopped, so I can talk again. I can see why these cars are real popular. They're pretty cool looking. Let's go get a closer look at this one. Very nicely done. I like the color. It's SS. Looks like it's got air conditioning. You gotta have AC. You're gonna drive. So it was interesting to see what they do to them. This one apparently they do a little racing. Because our roll bar is not stock. And the fuel cell on the trunk. Ooh, T-Bucket. That's the one we seen earlier driving by. Cool. Nice. Thanks for watching today's adventure. I will see you guys someplace or another. Have a great day. Bye.